And hello, let's chat about our IvyLearn walkthrough of how to navigate and what all of this means. So our course is made up of a few different things. So I'll talk about a lot of this next week, but because we basically have a whole week of class before we even meet, I feel like it's important to talk about some things first. So first, if we're talking about navigating through, I will be cleaning up the announcements and posting a new one, but check those frequently. The syllabus I have already updated. I am Becky. This is the information. Don't forget we meet live via computer on Tuesdays at 7. You access that through this Zoom link on the left. So that's kind of important. Okay, so what I really want to focus on with this walkthrough is the modules, okay? So because this is a 16-week class and this course is broken up into 8 modules, so if you do the math, every module covers 2 weeks. So if we just look at module 1, you will notice it says module 1 due 1/25 and 2/1 because there are 2 due dates within the first module. So the way this works, when you are looking at it, you start at the top. It's got the overview, the learning activities. There's nothing graded in there. It's just like information. Look at it, don't look at it. I don't really give 2 rips. Okay, and then you have the discussion. So you have a discussion board. You have section 1 videos. Now, you should be getting a workbook in the mail. Okay, it looks like this: quantitative reasoning, says math 123. It is a workbook. It's separated into sections. There's 17 of them, and that's what we're going to be using in this class. So section 1 videos cover section 1 in the workbook. You are not graded for this, but think of this as the lecture component of this course. So if you are feeling very anxious about this course, I highly recommend you watch the videos for the section, fill out the workbook, you kind of go through it, then you get into your homework. Now, I will be doing a separate video that is all about Noon Alta, how it works, what does it look like. So we'll actually click into one of these and walk through it, okay? So that's coming in the next video. But once you hit the module break, that's the break of the module into the 2 pieces. So everything above the module break is due on the 25th, which is next Tuesday. And then everything underneath the module break is due on February 1st. Now, everything is open right now. So if you start working and you get through section 1, like on Thursday, you don't have to wait to start section 2. You can go into section 2, you can watch the videos, you can start working. Feel free to work ahead. All right, there's no problem with that because some sections are going to go quickly for you, some are going to take more time. And so if when you work through quickly, if you continue on, that will give you more time when you need it. So I highly recommend you just get in a rhythm and you just work and you just churn things out as it goes. Okay, there are different types of assignments. I will get into that in the next video. But you will notice when we look at module 2 here, you'll notice there's section 4 videos. That's section 4 as a whole. Then we come down and you see there's this video for per capita. This is a special video that will help you with section 4C. So I do recommend, if you ever see these like random one-off video links, I recommend watching those because that means in the past students have struggled with this and we felt it was important to make an extra video. Okay, but again, there you see the module break. That means everything above would be due on the 8th. Everything below is due on the 15th. Okay, that's kind of the breakup. And we will talk about this. So like on the 25th, when we meet live, we will talk about what's due that night, and then we will preview everything that is due the next week. So the live class will kind of get more into this, but you do have stuff due at midnight the night of the first class. It's not much, but you do need to do something in that first week. Okay, super, super important. And that's kind of the big thing because we will go into more detail with all of this later. But the big key for now is to get in, view the announcements, check out the modules, check out the syllabus, read through it, see if you have questions. And if you have questions, you email me, right? And my email is located in the syllabus. My Ivy Tech email is bmenning@ivytech.edu. I check that regularly. It's on my phone. But because my full-time job is with Wiley Publishing, bmenning@wiley.com is my full-time job email. So if it's like the middle of the day and you have a quick question, feel free to email me at work, because that email pops up constantly while I'm working. But other than that, we can kind of go from there. So the next video will just be the Alta walkthrough, or going through homework, so you have an idea on that. But here, IvyLearn walkthrough. Thanks all.